We will guide you through how to create grid lines in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Click the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Click the Line tool or type Line in the command line and press Enter. Draw the first vertical grid line by specifying the start point and end point, then press Enter to complete the line. Next, click inside the command line, type OFF set and press Enter. Enter the desired grid spacing and press Enter again. Select the vertical grid line that you created, then click on one side of the line repeatedly to create the required number of evenly spaced vertical grid lines. Continue offsetting the line until you have enough vertical grid lines for your drawing. Next, click inside the command line, type Offset, and press Enter. Repeat the line command to draw the first horizontal grid line across the vertical grid lines. Type Offset again, enter the same or a different spacing value, and create the required number of evenly spaced horizontal grid lines using the same method. Use the Trim command if necessary to remove any unwanted line extensions and keep the grid clean and organized. Add text or numbers to label the grid lines clearly so each row and column can be identified easily. Check the completed grid to ensure the spacing is consistent, the lines intersect correctly, and the labels are placed in the proper locations. Finally, save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S. Your AutoCAD grid is ready for accurate drafting and layout work.